In portrait photography, short lighting and broad lighting only apply when the subject's head is turned slightly away from the camera, not facing it straight on. That's because these lighting patterns are defined based on the side of the face that's closer to the camera and the side that's farther away. When you light the side that's closer to the camera, it's called broad lighting. When you position the key light to illuminate mostly the far side of the face, leaving the near side in shadow, it's called short lighting. Short lighting tends to make the face appear slimmer, while broad lighting makes it look wider. The choice between the two can also depend on which features or areas of the face you might want to de-emphasize or hide in shadow, like skin texture, asymmetry, or other details you don't want to draw attention to. Every now and then I share simple videos like this about photography. If you'd like to see more, subscribing would really help and I'd appreciate it.